In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Draw Tool Tile, NinjaTrader. If you've ever wanted a faster, cleaner way to access your chart drawing tools, this walkthrough will help you set it up and use it confidently. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along on your own chart. Start on the chart you want to work with. Right-click anywhere on the graph area to open the context menu, then choose Indicators. This brings up the Indicators window, which is where you manage anything that enhances or overlays your chart. If you have multiple charts open, make sure you right-click the one you want the Draw Tool tile to live on. In the Indicators window, use the search field to find what you need quickly. Type Drawing Tool Tile. As you type, the list will filter so you can spot it right away. If you don't see it, double-check the spelling and make sure you're searching within Indicators, not Strategies or other sections. When you see Drawing Tool Tile in the list, double-click it. That action adds it to your active indicators for the selected chart. The moment it's added, you can configure it right there in the same window. Take a moment to review the available properties. Depending on your setup, you may see options that let you tailor how the tile looks, where it appears, and which drawing tools it emphasizes. Adjusting these settings now helps you streamline your workflow later. So set it up in a way that matches the tools you use most often, like lines, shapes, or text annotations. Once the Draw Tool tile is added, you can interact with it directly to use drawing tools on your graph. The tile acts like a quick access hub, letting you pick a tool and start drawing immediately on the chart you're analyzing. Select a tool from the tile, then click and drag on the chart to place your line, box, or other annotation. If a drawing needs fine-tuning, use your usual chart controls to move, resize, or edit it. The goal here is speed and consistency. The tile keeps your favorite tools one click away so you don't have to dig through menus while the market is moving. And that's all there is to it. By adding the Draw Tool tile through the Indicators window, searching for it by name, double-clicking to apply, configuring it to your preference, and then interacting with it on your chart, you get a smoother, more efficient drawing experience in NinjaTrader 8. Try it on a test chart first, get comfortable with your preferred settings, and then bring it into your daily workflow for faster, cleaner markups.